I'm John Williams. I design houses for a living. What I really love about designing houses is the chance to work with some really wonderful clients that have an urge to create something beautiful, and they've come to me to do that. Williams Residential Design is a boutique design firm that designs custom residential homes throughout North America and internationally. This house that we've finished a couple of years ago is one of my favorite homes that I've ever worked on. It has the architecture of cottage and detailing of permanence, things such as stone, shingle, clapboard, and wood siding and wood shingle and stone paving, places that house directly into its landscape. We also worked very closely with one of the best landscape architects around, and she was instrumental in tying that house into the ground on a very difficult site so that it steps down and reaches the water, where it has magnificent views and access to the water. This next property is one that I've always enjoyed the approach to the house. It comes down a long driveway off a cul-de-sac. As you turn along the driveway, the house presents itself in pieces, and then visually you arrive at the front door, and there it is. It's done in sort of English arts and craft detailing. We have spent a huge amount of time walking the site with the owners to ensure that we get all of the sunlight into all of the major rooms of the house. As you get around to the back, it's almost entirely glass, and is quite spectacular from inside and outside. And of course, it overlooks some beautiful treed conservation area. This next house that you'll be looking at is about a 12,000 square foot new home, custom home. The client asked us to do it in a French country style. What we tried to do with this house is make sure that all of the details of the house and the materials were detailed in French design. And if you go to the front cut stone, you'll see the detailing on the front entry. The brickwork is done in Flemish bond. It's a hand-pressed brick that's brought in from the United States. Then we have some of the most beautiful ironwork details, all represented by the fleur-de-lis. And most of the interior is done in traditional French Louis designs as well. It's one of my favorite homes we've ever done, especially for the workmanship levels were superior. And when the house is completed, there's nothing better than to hear the client say, "I love this place. It's the best thing there is."